Finance practice exercises number 26. Erica has an unsubsidized student loan, and like many students, it took her 5 years to earn her 4-year degree. She borrowed $62,500 at 4.95% interest. So I know we are oversimplifying this again, and I'm sure she didn't borrow it all at once. Maybe she did. It's hard to say. So at any rate, remember, in unsubsidized loans, Erica owes back the back interest, which is calculated using the simple interest formula. Once we do this, that's going to be added to her principal, and then that's what her loan will be based off of. So her interest is going to be the original amount that was borrowed times the rate times the time that she was in college. She was in college for 5 years. So during those 5 years, she is charged $15,468.75. So what is Erica's monthly payment? Well, first of all, let's find our new principal, which is $62,500, plus what you just found, that interest that she's been accruing while she was getting her education. So that makes our new principal $77,968.75. Okay? So we're going to assume that the rate is still the same. And we're looking for a monthly payment. And generally, student loans, as they mentioned before, go on for 10 years. And we're looking for that regular monthly payment. So let's go and set this up into our loan formula. Okay, well, there we have it. So at this point, we're going to get our calculators and figure out what this value is. And once we find that value, we're going to take this amount here and divide by the value we just got. And remember, this is our monthly payment. So it will be $825.08.